Hey you guys, welcome back to Grinning Rees, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we are here to spread some good vibes and white smiles. So today's video is all about self-love and self-care because I feel that it is very hard to love our own self. I mean, it is harder than to love others. So I felt that I needed to make this video. So today's video is all about self love journey because मैं ना रह चुकी हूँ वो aggressive, short tempered, anxious, stubborn person. I still am, okay, like my emotions are all over the place, but somehow from the last 1 year I have learned to control my each and every emotion. So I asked myself, I mean, how this all happened, and then I realized you really can't give something that you don't have. I mean, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple सा logic है. I mean, I was feeling my own heart, my own soul with anger, with pain, with hurt, with unkindness. That's why I was emitting the same energy to the person in front of me. The moment you start feeling this with love, with care, with kindness, with generosity, you will see the change. So yeah, in this video, we are going to learn about few things that really helped me throughout this journey. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first thing is change the way you talk to yourself. I mean, change the words you use for yourself. See, हमें ना बहुत ही बड़ी selfless आदत है. Like we all have family, friends, siblings, right? तो उनसे ना कुछ गलती हो जाती है तो we are like छोड़ कुछ नहीं होता, हम इंसान हैं, हमसे गलती हो जाती है, like just chill, ऐसा हम बोलते हैं. But we change the conversation if we did the same thing. So just change your words, start your day, or start changing your words with like, it's okay, we are humans, I made this mistake and from next time I'll be more careful. That's how it is. It is a form of self-care and self-love, that you are feeling your heart with love, and these small things really matter. So second thing है, watch out your egos. I mean, see, we all have different potential and capabilities. हम सब किसी ना किसी चीज़ में अच्छे हैं, बुरे हैं, but don't let your ego convince yourself that you are best at this and you are worst at this, because in both the scenarios your ego is winning so much. And you know what, it's sometimes it's okay to be good at something, sometimes it's okay to be average at something, and sometimes it's really okay to be bad at something. So believe me, don't let your ego convince yourself that you are best and you are worst. Okay, so third thing is try to do some small things for yourself. हम सबको ना जॉब है, स्टडीज़ है, काम है, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ है, बट प्लीज़ बिलीव मी, खुद को टाइम देना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. आई मीन, पेंट योर नेल्स, अप्लाई सम DIY फेस मास्क और हेयर मास्क, और मेक योर हेयर और बियर्ड, और गो फॉर शॉपिंग, और डू एनी थिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ. मैंने ना एक आदत बना ली है, रात को सोने से पहले इट डजेंट मैटर हाउ मच टायर्ड आई एम और एग्जॉस्टेड आई एम, आई ऑलवेज डू माई स्किन केयर रूटीन. उससे ना मुझे पता भी नहीं कि वो काम करता है या नहीं करता है, बट यू नो, इन दैट मोमेंट I feel like that I am being loved, I am being taken care of, and again you will emit the same energy to the person in front of you, and you will start your next day with new energy. So all these little things matter a lot. So fourth and my most favorite thing is your happiness is greater than everybody else's happiness. I know ये बहुत ही selfish sound कर रहा होगा, but your happiness is here and everybody else's happiness here. Okay, ये जितना भी selfish sound कर रहा है ना, तो again same theory. If you're not happy, how can you pass that happiness on to the others? So believe me, choose your own path, choose your own happiness over society's norms, over your parents' wish, over your friends' wish, over your relatives' wish, over your one toxic long-term commitment. Choose your happiness always, because nobody is going to choose you. Choose that happiness for you. So just choose your happiness always. Last and the most weird thing is there are unlimited number of seats. Okay, I'll explain to you this. This is something that I have learned from Jay Shetty's one of the videos. हमें ना बचपन से बताया जाता है कि यहाँ पे ना limited number of seats है इस कॉलेज में, limited number of players है इस टीम में, limited number of people ही यही कर सकते हैं, या फिर limited लोग ही यही कर सकते हैं. But you know what? There are unlimited number of seats in the theater of happiness, and you deserve each ईच एंड एवरी हैप्पीनेस. एंड मुझे ना ऐसा लगता था कि ये मिल गया ना, ये हो गया ना, मुझे ये आ गया ना, आई विल बी हैप्पी. बट डोंट डू दैट. Detach your happiness from everything, because you can be happy anytime, because there is always that one thing, one seat reserved for you in the theater of happiness. And believe me, life is much more than your achievements, your success, your money, your power. Life is all about those moments that led up to that achievements. So yeah, these are the 5 things that literally help me in this self love and self care journey. और self love के ना बस खुद के लिए advantages नहीं है. You will emit the same energy to the person in front of you. You will feel that these all things will boost up your confidence, will boost up your self esteem. So these things are really necessary to be a better version of yourself. So yeah, these are my things, these are my tips that literally help me in this journey. So yeah, see you in the next video. Till then, keep spreading some good vibes and vice smiles, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave comment below, and thank you so much. Bye bye.